Hey my dinos, welcome back to another episode of Shapes with Sharky Shark. I'm Sharky. Do you know what a tundra is? A tundra is a vast and treeless land. Almost all tundras are located in the Arctic in the northern hemisphere. However, small tundra-like areas exist in Antarctica in the southern hemisphere. It covers about 20% of Earth's surface. The ground is often permanently frozen so that the trees can't grow there. In the Arctic tundra, there are polar bears, foxes, and reindeers. Okay dinos, are you ready for our brand new worksheet? Remember, the link below is provided for you to print them out. If you can't print them out, don't worry, we could do it together. I'm just so happy you're here with me today. Okay, first, let's grab our favorite color crayons and let's write our names. Today I chose brown. What color did you choose? Oh, I really like that color. Now let's read the directions. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Let's read it one more time. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Today's shape is a cone. First, color the cone. You can color it anything your imagination wants you to color. I'm coloring it a hot pink. Afterwards, I'm going to add some lines and circles to it. What are you going to color your cone? Oh, that sounds like a great idea. I can't wait to see it. Don't worry if you color outside the lines, we're going to cut it off anyways. So color away dinos. We're almost done. But there's no rush, okay? Take your time. Now that I'm done coloring the whole entire cone, I'm gonna get a darker color red. This way it pops out. I'm drawing some spiral circles, maybe some eyebrows, and more spiral circles all over. Okay, now it says, cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. I'm going to read it one more time. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. So grab your scissors or ask an adult to cut out the shape for you. If you are using scissors, I hope you're using safety scissors. Okay, check out my cone. You're going to have to fold the side little pieces, fold them all back where you see the dotted lines. Then there's a long strip with the dotted lines that you fold as well. Now I want you to get your tape ready because we're going to help the 2D shape become a 3D shape. For every fold, you're going to need a piece of tape. Just fold it to the corner and tape it together. I want you to repeat this step, okay? If you need help, just follow the video, and if you can't, just ask your mom or dad for help. Or a friend. We're going to take the last little shape, and after we are going to take the longest white part of the paper to the corners. Okay, here's the last step. Grab a long piece of tape and just tape the piece together. Now that you have it lined up, and press the tape down, you're done. Check out the cone. Isn't it amazing? I'm so proud of you, dinos. Whoa, dinos, check out the cone. It could be a speaker. Do. Great job. I can't wait to see you next week, dinos. Bye.
Hi everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks.